Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Oh, a lot. This is football, and football. This is a new team, new players, young players, experienced players. Uh, we need to improve a lot of details. But I don't have a lot of time to prepare the preseason is short. Don't have a lot of time to between games. And I told to them, okay, we are professional. We lose the game. At the end, the most important is the focus for Chennai. After Chennai, the focus is in Johannesburg because we have 3 days in this case. This is the schedule. This is the life. And the most important is, okay, of course, learn about the mistakes in the last game, but immediately to put all energy in the next game because this is football. At the end, it's the same within life. It's not possible to think in the past because it's not possible to change the past.
Yeah, I think my opinion is that we're better. The frustrating thing for me is that teams aren't scoring against us in open play. It's penalties. We've had some calls go against us. We've had calls go for us, like the coach said. But we play the most attractive football, and that's the team you want to be in. The team that plays football and scores goals in open